जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं that we have started an online Clat marathon 2024 इन्फ्रिंज करेगा तो ऑब्वियसली उसको पनिश किया जाएगा और फंडामेंटल राइट होने के साथ साथ हमारा इंडिविजुअल एज एन इंडिविजुअल ह्यूमन राइट भी। Greetings everyone. On behalf of Paathshala classes, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcome you all on our YouTube channel. जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं that we have started an online Clat marathon 2024 for the upcoming Clat UG 2024, which is to be held in the month of December 2023, and today is the lecture 4 of the series. अगर आप हम सबको फर्स्ट टाइम वॉच कर रहे हैं तो बाकी के लेक्चर्स आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं। So let's start with the topic of the day. So today's topic is disqualification of MP, that is Member of Parliament after conviction. Okay? MP is short for Member of Parliament. This is a very recent and hot topic going on. And this is regarding Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Member of Parliament. He has recently been convicted in the month of March, 23rd March 2023, for a defamatory statement which he made in the year 2019. Okay, the decision was taken by Surat CJM Court. CJM is Chief Judicial Magistrate, and after the conviction, this disqualification notification was given by the Lok Sabha on 24th March 2023. Okay. So अब पहले देखते हैं कि सूरत चीफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट कोर्ट ने क्या डिसीजन दिया था। Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been convicted under section 499 of IPC, that is criminal defamation, and section 500 of IPC. Sentence awarded, what was the sentence? The sentence awarded is of 2 years imprisonment. However, a bail was granted to him and 30 days time was granted for appeal by the Chief Judicial Magistrate. Okay? उनको bail भी मिल गई थी and appeal के लिए भी 30 days का time दिया गया था। तो अब हम जानते हैं कि what is section 499 and 500 of IPC. IPC is Indian Penal Code. Okay. So section 499 of the IPC elaborates on how defamation could be through words spoken or intended to be read, and through signs and also through visible representation. It talks about the way the defamation could be carried out. And section 500 of IPC talks about the punishment जो इस ऑफेंस के लिए दी जा सकती है। So basically 499 elaborates on the offense and 500 is the punishment of the given offense. Okay. अब एक हम ये तो हमारे लीगल टर्मिनोलॉजीज हो गई। अब हम एक लेमैन टर्म में जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज डिफेमेशन। ओके, सो डिफेमेशन इज an act of communicating false, किसी के बारे में झूठी statements देना ताकि उसकी reputation harm हो. That is an act of communicating false statement about a person that injure the reputation of that person when observed through the eyes of an ordinary man. Like for example, अगर आप किसी की बुराई करते हैं उसकी reputation को डाउन करने के लिए ताकि मतलब लोग उसे पसंद ना करें. So that is an act of defamation. और ये it should be deliberately, intentionally, knowingly. मतलब ये जानबूझ के एक मकसद के साथ होनी चाहिए to damage someone else's reputation. Okay. चलिए हमने अब ये भी जान लिया कि what is defamation. Now हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है, ठीक है, कि हमारे पास पूरा फ्रीडम है, हम अपने मन पसंद से कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. तो अब एक पॉइंट उठा कोर्ट में कि दिस डिफेमेटरी रिमार्क जो मिस्टर गांधी ने दिया, इट इज वाइल और उसको उनको पनिशमेंट मिली, तो इट इज वायलेटिंग हिज राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच. So let's see what it is exactly speaking to us. Free speech versus defamation laws. It is argued that the defamation laws are violation of fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 19 of the Constitution, but उसके साथ कुछ restrictions भी दी गई है. Yes, you have a freedom of right to speak, but उसको आपको एक हद तक बोलना है. You cannot cross that limit. You have to abide the restrictions given in the Constitution. Okay. The Supreme Court has ruled that criminal provisions of defamation are constitutionally valid and are not in conflict. Supreme Court ने बोला है कि criminal provision defamation के valid है and they are not in conflict with the right to free speech. मतलब अगर आप किसी की रेपुटेशन को हार्म कर रहे हैं तो ये आपके राइट टू स्पीच को कन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं कर रहे, आप जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं. इट इज इंजरिंग द अदर पर्सन. So both the provisions are not in conflict with each other. Okay. The Supreme Court has also held that it is valid to treat defamation as a public wrong. It is a public wrong, and that criminal defamation is not a disproportionate restriction on free speech because protection of reputation is a fundamental right as well as a human right. Supreme Court ने बोला है कि protection of reputation is a fundamental right है ये हमारा. इसको कोई इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा तो ऑब्वियसली उसको पनिश किया जाएगा, और फंडामेंटल राइट होने के साथ साथ हमारा इंडिविजुअल एज एन इंडिविजुअल ह्यूमन राइट भी. Okay. The court relied on the judgments of other countries and reaffirmed the right to reputation as a part of the right to life under Article 21. Supreme Court ने ये बोला. Okay. Now let's see how a member of parliament, जैसे he was convicted, Mr. Gandhi was convicted, and as a result to it, he was disqualified as a member of parliament. So let's take a look on that. Disqualification of member of parliament can be because of three reasons. क्या है वो? First is Article 1021 and Article 191 Clause 1, that is for holding an office of profit, or being of an unsound mind or insolvent, or for not having a valid citizenship. Second is 10th schedule, disqualification of members on ground of defection. And third is RPA, provides for disqualification for conviction in criminal cases. RPA is representation of people's act. Okay. तो ये तीन है डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन जिससे हो सकती है मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की. ओके. सो अब किस बेसिस पर उनको डिस्क्वालिफाई किया गया था? सेक्शन 8(3) ऑफ द आरपीए, दैट Representation of People's Act, mandates that an MP, that member of parliament, can be disqualified if convicted and sentenced to not less than 2 years of imprisonment from the date of such conviction, and shall continue to be disqualified for a further period of 6 years since his release. So, as per section 8(3) of the Representation of People's Act, Mr. Gandhi was disqualified from the post as from being a member of parliament. Okay. And the following were the remarks which was given, that is, following the conviction, Mr. Gandhi was disqualified as a member of parliament and was asked to move out. Obviously, उनको अपने government residence को छोड़ना ही था from his government residence. Current situation क्या है? This all happened in the month of March. Okay. अब currently situation क्या है? On 4th August 2023, the Supreme Court in the case and he suspended his conviction, saying that the reasons given by the trial court, that is the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Surat, for giving the maximum punishment of 2 years to Mr. Gandhi were without sufficient reasons and grounds. Supreme Court ने held किया कि जिस ground को convict किया गया था वो एकदम reasonable नहीं है और कोई sufficient particular उन्होंने ग्राउंड नहीं मेंशन किया है. It also said that the Supreme Court also said that the Congress leader should have been more careful while making the remark. भले ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनका कन्वेक्शन सस्पेंड कर दिया, but Supreme Court also gave him the Supreme Court also gave him the warning, and he specifically stated that Mr. Gandhi should have been more careful while giving his remarks. उन्होंने देखा जाए तो गुस्सा भी कर दिया. The disqualification was nullified. His disqualification from the parliament was as a result of the conviction. With the stay granted, there were no grounds for his disqualification anymore. He has been reinstated. As a result, अब उनके conviction पे stay लग गया है, तो he has been reinstated as the member of parliament on 7th August. Okay, 2023, 2 days after the stay was put by the court. So that's all. I think it was pretty clear to you how convection to start hote how he was reinstated. Also, we got to know about the grounds for the disqualification of the member of parliament and Supreme Court ruling on in Mr. Gandhi's case. I hope everything was clear and आपको बहुत easily communicate हो सका. Also, if you guys want to add on something or wants us to discuss on a particular topic, आप comment section में हमें mention कर सकते हैं. Also, we have made a Telegram group जिस पे आपको daily legal updates मिलेंगी, so you can scan it. And if you guys are watching us for the very first time and liked us and wants to be associated with us, so please like us, subscribe us, so that आपको next lecture के बारे में notify हो. Thank you.